Hi everyone, I'm Miss Culberson, your chemistry teacher. You might notice that I'm not in the chemistry room. I'm actually in my office, and my office is down on the second floor of the Science Center. It's room 210. It's the same office that Miss Sampson and Miss Dubbs have, and actually over my shoulder, you might notice that that's Miss Dubbs's room. And when she's not teaching in that classroom, I'm teaching in that classroom. So if you're looking for me and I'm not in the chemistry room, come check the second floor in Miss Dubbs' room, room 214, or in the office room, room 210. I want to talk to you about some differences from class this year than maybe what you're used to. One of the main things are videos. We're going to be learning a lot of the content through videos. Now, let me explain. I'm sure you've all been in class and the teacher's lecturing, and you are frantically trying to copy down all the info on the board, and they're also talking, and you're trying to listen to what they're talking and they're saying, but you can't because you're too busy writing stuff down, and maybe they move on and you didn't get it all. Or maybe you're somebody who writes really fast and you are just sitting there waiting for everyone else to copy down stuff on the board, and it is so incredibly boring. And you get to the end of the class, and they've done the lecture, and then they give you your homework assignment, and you get home, and like maybe it doesn't make sense. Like you took the notes, but you don't really know what to do, and so now you're stuck at home. Either you can't do your homework or you have to copy someone's. Not that any one of you would ever do that. And so it's not a really good place to be in. And so what we're going to do is we're going to flip it around. Instead of lecturing during class, we're going to lecture at home. I'm going to record short videos, always less than 10 minutes. Okay, so not too much of your time, and you're going to watch the videos and take notes. I'll give you some guidelines about how to take the notes, but you're going to take notes. And this way, you are going to go at your own pace. If you need to slow it down, you can pause the video. If you need to rewind and listen to something again, listen to something again. If you missed class that day, guess what? You've got the video, so you didn't miss all the notes. And so then when you get to class, if the notes in the video didn't make sense, you can ask me questions about it after having thought about it for a night. You'll always get time to ask questions about the lecture, but the biggest part of our class time is going to be spent kind of doing what traditionally would be homework, doing the activities, doing the practice problems, also doing labs. And so this way, I'm in the room for the harder stuff. If you get to a problem and you don't know how to do it, you're not just stuck. You raise your hand, you call me over, and I can help you in the room in that moment. Okay? This kind of setup has shown to help students understand things a lot better and for them to remember it longer. Okay? So we're going to be learning through videos and through the textbook throughout the year. So basically your homework is to watch videos. Okay? You're very rarely going to have homework that isn't just watching or listening to me. Okay? Sometimes you'll see my face like today. Sometimes you'll just hear my voice because I'll have some slides up. But that's how we're going to be delivering most of the content in this class. Another thing that's pretty different in this class than other classes are retakes. You can retake any quiz. Yep, any quiz you take in here. What I care about is that you learn the material. And if you didn't learn the material by the quiz date, but you go back and you put in the work either on your own, with a friend, in the LRC, making an appointment with me during a free mod or our off day, if you've put in the time and the work to go back and learn it, let me know. I'll give you a retake, which is like another version of the quiz, not the same quiz, but a similar quiz. And if you can do it, then guess what? I take that first grade, I erase it completely, and I put in the second grade. So you can retake any quiz, no matter what the score is. If you're unhappy with the score and if you want to do better, then I'll give you a retake, okay? This is a really great opportunity to raise your score, to help you understand things better, because that's what it's all about. I want you to learn it, and as long as you learn it, even if the time frame is a little bit different, that's okay. We'll talk about there will be some deadlines for retakes. That's more later. But I just want to let you know that that's available to you, and I really, really hope you use that opportunity because it's a big one. We're going to have a great year in chemistry. I really look forward to working with you all, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.